Hi there, this is Penelope. This is FS 3128, Topic 3, Class 2. We're looking at algebra and we're looking further at simplification, things we can do to make what we're looking at simpler before we do something with it. Now you need to remember something we did with numbers. We were looking at positive times positive to give us a positive, and negative times negative, that also gives us a positive, and then negative times positive to give us a negative, and so on. So if we were to write that in algebra, A times B is positive, and negative A times negative B is positive, because negative times negative is positive. Same for division. Just watch out if there's no dot. 4 2x is actually 4 times 2 times x. So we can get rid of the brackets there to make a final answer of 8x. We can rearrange this bit using the associative rule. So I've got 4 times 2 times x. Sometimes moving them along, as we've done in this example, makes something more simple. Sometimes doing quite a lot more makes it more simple, but in this case, just moving them along makes it more simple. If we've got, in this case, 4 times x plus 2, because what's in there is times, then we use the distributive law to say that this is the same as 4 times x plus 4 times 2. So that's 4x plus 8. And if we've got the negative number there, we just have to be a little bit careful, because negative 4 times x plus 2 is negative 4 times x plus negative 4 times 2, which is negative 4x plus negative 8, which would be minus 8. It gets a little bit more complicated when we've got 2 whole brackets, but really what that is a, or start from the beginning, a plus b times c plus d is a times c plus d plus b times c plus d. And then we can work that out, ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. Now, you can remember that in all sorts of ways. I've given you some colour-coded here, the smiley face, or there's the smiley face. Some people look like a monkey face, whatever, doesn't matter. Or you can remember it as the FOIL rule, where you multiply the firsts together, the outsides together, the insides together, and the lasts together. So we would multiply the firsts together, the outsides together, the insides together, and the lasts together, and that gives us the smiley face. And that would be the end of the chapter, the end of the class. So, end of.